WoMBA, the World Medical Bank, a consumer-centric service that enables users to aggregate a longitudinal personal health record across the globe. Eli's a champion of consumer access for his vision of a global solution that one day will include medical information from all data sources, including data captured about the consumer in other countries. Eli, you got it?
Eli is one of these people in your life that you get to meet maybe 1 in 1,000 times, where you quickly form a trust and a willingness to go at risk with. And I really believe in his vision that I'm short-sighted and just looking at America, and he sort of started explaining to me, well, lots of refugees come from countries that we help, and we need their medical records too. So I'm still learning a lot, and I think I've learned a lot from Eli Rowe.
Thank you so much. Just a quick housekeeping tip before we start, and that is apparently there was a large wad of $100 bills wrapped in a rubber band lost today off the show floor. I was told by the directors of Himss, no worries, they found the rubber band. That's pretty good. I always watch this on TV, and I always want to say, I just thank the Academy. That's my time to shine right here. So my wife and kids back home would be exceptionally proud. Thank you for that. In my other life, I'm a New York City paramedic and a commercial pilot. And I'm gonna take this off. I'm a commercial pilot and a New York City paramedic, and I get to do a fair amount of traveling around the globe. And I get to fly and go to some places that many people don't get to go to. Recently, after the hurricanes in Haiti, I was very, very privileged to lead a team of a dozen paramedics and doctors, and we took about 4,000 pounds of medical equipment. And it was actually not far from here. Haiti's only about an hour and a half flight. And as we landed on this little island, we took a little jumper plane, and we ended up in a place called Eli Rowe, a small little island that had about 10,000 people, and about 80% of the island was destroyed. And we were there for 48 hours. We set up a portable hospital in a church, converted, and we treated about 600 patients. And we asked them, what's healthcare like on a regular basis? And they said, healthcare, we get a nurse that comes once a month who treats us, and that's the entire healthcare for that. And I came back, and I got to speak to friends of ours, many of those of you who are in the room, quality, amazing people like Bob and the Data Motion team, Aaron and the Nate team. And I said, could you imagine these people, even if they came to America, or they're able to get to the mainland, or be able to get there, they would have absolutely no control of their data, because there is no data that gets linked to them and travels with them. What I realize is that when I sit in the room and I see thousands and thousands of amazing companies, we're still not in an environment where we can travel around the world and have our data. From Switzerland, if you're on a skiing trip, you can have an accident. Or you're in London, somebody has a heart attack. Or for that matter, even if you're in one part of America and you want to then come now to Orlando at a conference and then share your data, as much as we've taken 3 steps forward, we still haven't taken the steps necessary to create a true interoperable world. What I've noticed, though, sitting with so many of you guys in the room, is that with amazing organizations like the alliances that we're very fortunate to be part of. I see Jitin's here, and that's an amazing person who's done so much to further the interoperability. And the work that Bob and the Data Motion teams have done, both Bob's and the Data Motion team. And primarily, I'm here to thank Aaron and the amazing work that Nate has done in Direct Trust and the Secure Bundle. We've really taken the steps necessary to realize for the first time, I'm in the data aggregation world for 26 years, that tomorrow is finally approaching and tomorrow is here. I'm humbled to be part of this team. I'm humbled to be working together with such amazing guys. And thank you very much for that.